We were here to actually follow up on the Nyota sensitization program we did a few days ago. When I came here with the county commissioner and the other Ngao and the government officials and the political leaders, we came to launch a program for the youth, targeted the youth, called Nyota. So over the last couple of days, the youth were encouraged to register online through the *54 hash. That registration has led to countrywide over 804,000 youth, 804,000 youth registered countrywide. For Kisii, about 29,000, just short of 30,000 youth registered across the Kisii County. And so today we're here to actually now check validation. So you remember these people registered online using their phones. So because some of these programs are going to include physical people being trained, people being given money to start business, so it was important that we validate so that you don't get people either ghost registration or non-existent, or people don't come from the same area, because we want to make sure that the beneficiaries are cut across every ward across the country. So today was validation. We've been in the hall here at the Kisii Polytechnic, which is actually the center for Nyeriba Richache, and there are similar centers like this across Kisii County for the 9 constituencies, where County Commissioner and myself and the other officials will go around to check how it is going. So we have observed at the Nyeriba Richache Validation Center that the exercise is going very well. The youth are peaceful. The process of validation is very simple. You show your ID, which basically confirms that you're between 18 and the 29, the age we're looking for. Then the officers ask you basic questions. Do you come from this village, which is in that ward? What's your level of education? Are you from 4 and below? And do you have employment or another means of income? And finally, are you committed? Because this is a thing that we need also the youth to own. So we open the door, we give the opportunity. They also must say, when the opportunity comes, I am committed. So through those 4 questions, or 4 validation questions, we then say, yeah, the person who registered online is actually physically here, he comes from this village and comes from this ward, and they're actually meeting this criteria, including the level of education and income. Then they go through the next stage to confirm themselves. They get a code to test for entrepreneurship. We call it Entrepreneurship Aptitude Test, EAT.